begin with the new chapter, that is chapter 11, Mountains and Valleys. Mountains and Valleys, part 1. Okay. Now, see the picture below which has been given here, mountains. Have you seen it? Mountains. Okay, now there are different types you see. The mountains which are in the north part, okay, you will find the snow on it. Okay, see the snow which is there, white color. It's a snow. Snow means ice. Okay, so now we read it and we'll see what kinds of the landforms are. There are different landforms. So in this we are going to see the valleys also and the mountains. Okay, so you know that page number 52. Okay, you know that only a small part of the earth's surface is land. So last lecture we have seen only a little part is land and the other part is water. So more of water part is there on the earth, lesser land on the earth. Okay? So land is very small. The space is very small here. So we live on the land and grow our food on it. Isn't it? We live on the land and we grow food on it. Food on it means what? We grow crops. And from crops we get the food. The land is not the same everywhere. Can you see? Have you seen it? Land is same, like this same straight? No. Somewhere it is up, somewhere it is down, somewhere it is straight, again up, again down. And see somewhere here, this way. So it is not same. Okay. So in some places it is high and the other places it is low. So this gives the earth's surface different features. Now this different features, that is up and down, these are the features. Okay, how it looks. Okay, whether it is straight or whether it is up. So this is called as features. So there are different features that will be given of the landforms. Okay. Now the raised part is called mountain. The raised, which is the upper part. How this is done. Okay. So this upper part which is called as mountain. Okay. And the valleys, I will explain you valleys. Now the space between the two mountains is valley. Okay. Now this way, you will see. So this is the valley. Two mountains and the space between it is valley. Okay. It is called as valley. Okay. Plains and plateaus are the example of landform. Now we'll see they are giving a picture here. Okay. See the plain picture is given. This is the plain and this is the plateau. Now, in some place, now again I am showing here only on this. Okay, now this part is plain. A little bit short. Okay, this part will be the plain. This part will be the plateau. Now sometimes the mountains are flat on top. Okay, they are flat on top. So this is the plateau. Sometimes the mountains are like this. Okay, this is not a plateau, but this is a plateau because on top you find the plain face, okay, the plain land, which is called plateau. Okay, we'll see. I'll write it over here. You understand? See the picture also is given. See the raised part. The raised part is given, and this plain part is called plateau. And here on the ground, on the land. Okay. This plain part is called a plain. Not only here, but even suppose this is plain. Here also it is plain. Okay? Now these are the mountains here, and this is the land here. Okay? It's a plain here. You can call this also as a plain. This is the valley actually. We give this as a valley, but it is a plain also. Why? Because it's a straight place. Okay? This is the valley. You can call this part also as plain. Don't get confused. Okay. Now the plain and plateau are the example of landforms. Now how many forms you have seen? Plateau you have seen, valley you have seen, plain you have seen. Okay. These are different types of landforms. Okay. Mountains is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts you have seen of landforms. Isn't it? There are 4 landforms. So the question may come across underline this and learn it very nicely. Read the chapter well. Okay, children? So that you'll understand much better with the picture they have shown you. They have explained you with the picture. So immediately you have to refer to the picture and see if you don't understand. Now for the example, they have already given up the landform. Now each landform we are going to study now. Okay? We are going to study mountain, we are going to study plateau, we are going to study valley as well as plain. A mountain is a landform that rises high, very high above the land. Now this is the land, okay, and it is rising above. It's rising above. Okay, that is called a mountain. It has deep sides, steep sides. Steep means slanting sides. This way, it is steep sides and pointed top called the peak. Now this is called the peak. This pointed part is called a peak. Okay, this is called a peak. See, they are shown in the picture also. They are shown this peak part here, the top pointed part. This peak is the peak of very high mountains are covered with snow. They are covered with snow, isn't it? They are describing the mountains is described over here. See how it is being covered with snow. Okay, the peak of the high mountains are covered with snow. Mountains that are not very high are called hills. Now suppose this is high mountains. Okay, this is high mountain. Now we'll see here. Now suppose Armita hills are very small. This it's a small. We can call it this as a hill. Okay, it is not a mountain; it's a hill. A very small raised part of the earth is called hills. A large number of mountains often lie along a long line. Sometimes you will see this. This is a long line. They have shown here. Okay, see this. This is called as range. Where it is followed by one after the other the mountains. Okay, in a line, it is called a range. So here they have given a no, they have not given it. So a large number of mountains often lie along a long line. They form the mountain range. Yes, they have given here. They form a mountain range. Range means in the line. These are the mountain range. They have given decorative here also. Children, follow the pictures as we are reading. Or mountain chain. Another name is also given here. Mountain range. They form a mountain range or the mountain chain. Chain like us. Okay. So the Himalaya is a mountain range. It has some of the tallest mountains in the world. It's the tallest mountain in the world. These are the range. This is Himalaya, and it has tallest mountains in the world. Okay, and which is the largest mountain here? We'll see. Mount Everest. Mount Everest is in the Himalaya. Is the world's largest peak. The world's largest peak here we are having it in India. Okay, can you imagine this? Last time also we have seen in ocean that India's name is given to the ocean. Okay, isn't it great? There are many great things about India, children. Okay, so one by one we just make a list out of it. We have seen the name given to the ocean. Now the mountain. Mountain is also there, the highest mountain in India. Okay, so these things you are going to write it down somewhere. Okay, so that is very helpful. You must know this. So the snow collected in mountain ranges often melt into water. So when there is a snowfall here, okay, snowfall here, they often melt. Okay, they come down. And melt means in India I'll tell you pighal jana. Okay, so the melting part is done when during the summer's time. It gets melted. All this work because of the sunlight. Okay, because of the heat, sun's heat, it gets melted and it comes in the form of water. Okay, and form the river. What it does? It forms the river. Automatically the river is formed. Okay, and here we have given the name for the rivers. That is Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra. Okay, all these kinds of river we will see here later. Himalaya is a mountain range, so it has some of the tallest mountains in the world. Mount Everest in the Himalaya is the world's highest peak. Now the snow collected in mountain range often melts into water. The water flows down as river. I told you. Ganga and Yamuna are the rivers flown down from the Himalaya. I told you. Okay, underline this. Ganga and Yamuna, you should know which are the rivers flowing there. Now valley. Now we'll see the valley here. Now see the picture also says of this. Two mountains here and the middle space is what? Valley. Okay, this is called valley. A valley is the low land between hills or mountains. When it is between hills, this also is a valley. Okay, this part is also a valley, whereas this part is also a valley. Okay, when it is hill or mountain. So in between the hills or in between the mountains, with the space which is there, it is called as valley. Often a river flows through the valley. What happens? Always we find the river is flowing from here, through the valley, here also. Yes, the river flows from valley. India has many beautiful valleys such as Kashmir and the Silent Valley. So we have the valley in Kashmir. Now the plains. Plains you see, I told you before also, in picture this plain. Now we'll talk about this, what would they say? A plain is a large flat land. It's a flat land. That means a very straight land. Plains often have soil brought down by the river. What does the river do? It gets the mud. Mud is called as soil. Okay? Along with the water, it gets mud also, soil also. So this soil is good for farming. So this mud is what? Good for farming. Roads, railways and houses can be built easily on plain, isn't it? Can you build house? We can build, but many houses won't be built over here, or colonies. We cannot build on the mountains. But in plain region, we can build the houses, isn't it? Whenever there is a land, plain land, only then it is possible to build a good house. River Ganga. This soil is good for farming. Roads, railways and houses can be built easily on plain. So most of the people live on plain, not on mountains. They live on mountain, but not the majority will be very, very less. Hardly few people must be living on mountain. And most cities of the world are on plain. Many of the cities, if you see, they are on plain lands. Okay, they are not on the mountains. The river Ganga and Yamuna flow through the large plain. Okay, now the river Ganga and Yamuna is flowing on the plain. After it comes from the mountain, it flows on plain. Did you get it? Here also, after coming down from the mountain, it comes down on the plain. So river Ganga and Yamuna flow through the large plain, Delhi, Lucknow, Varanasi. Now which place it is flowing? Delhi, Lucknow, Varanasi, Patna and Kolkata are some of the big cities on this plain. So they have been called as big cities on this plain. Now plateaus. Now what are plateaus? We have seen here, this is called as plateau. So what are they? They are also flat land but on the mountain. They are also flat land but on the mountain, which is raised high. A plateau is a flat land that is higher than the land around it. It is like a table. It is like a table here. Okay? It is like a table. So it is also called tableland. What it is called? It called a tableland. Underline this, very important. What is called as where it is a plateau. The plateau is called as tableland. The Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in India. Underline this also. The Deccan Plateau is largest plateau in India. The plateau of Tibet is the highest and the biggest plateau in the world. Now can you imagine? Again something is there of India. Okay? So Tibet, okay, the plateau of Tibet is the highest and the biggest plateau in the world. Okay, children, enough for today. Now we'll continue with the exercise in the next part, that is the part 2. Thank you, children.